In today's video, I'm going to teach you QuickBooks Online, how to create and apply credit notes. We're working in the current desktop interface for QuickBooks Online, and I'll walk you through creating a credit note, then applying it to an invoice so your accounts stay accurate and your customer balances reflect the change. Start on the Home dashboard and click the plus New button. Under the Customer section, choose Credit Note. A credit note is essentially a negative sale. It reduces what a customer owes, often used for returns, price adjustments, or goodwill credits. Select the customer you're issuing the credit to. Make sure this matches the exact customer or sub-customer the original invoice belongs to, so the credit can be applied correctly. Enter the credit note date and the credit note number. The date should reflect when the credit was granted. QuickBooks may auto-sequence the number, but you can adjust it if your company follows a specific numbering pattern for audit clarity. Under Amount to Credit, enter the total amount you plan to credit. If you're detailing the credit with line items, QuickBooks will calculate the total from those lines. Otherwise, this field represents the full credit value. In the Line Item section, add the product or service you're crediting. Include the service date if it applies, a clear description for context, the quantity being credited, and the rate. If sales tax applies, select the correct tax code so your tax reporting stays accurate and ties back to the original sale. If you want, add a message that will display on the credit note for your customer. This can help explain why they're receiving the credit. When you're done, click Save and Close to finish, or Save and New if you need to create another credit note right away. Now, let's apply the credit to an invoice. Open the invoice you want to reduce. From there, click Receive Payment. QuickBooks will automatically display any available credits for that customer on the payment screen. Select the credit note you want to apply. If you're applying only part of a credit, adjust the amounts as needed. Otherwise, the full credit will be applied. Click Save and Close, and the invoice balance will update to reflect the credit. If you don't see the credit, confirm you're in the correct customer and that the credit note still has a remaining balance. Remember, applying a credit note doesn't move cash. It simply reduces the customer's accounts receivable. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share.